Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 is seeking to protect an unpopular ZANU-PF leader, Emmerson Mnangagwa, instead of trying to find out why ED received less votes, 52%, than ZANU-PF members in parliament, 65%, in the 2018 and 2023 elections. They are trying to use the popularity of the ZANU-PF parliament to save an 84-year-old man. Sabina mashikubulani kwa pangu wana chinsi checkpoint, according to Rutendo Benson Matinyarari, a ZANU-PF affiliate and the anti-sanctions organization leader. But was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tivina mashoko ake Matinyarari mudanyura chiti 2028 elections, ZANU-PF with an old presidential candidate stand no chance against young vibrant Nelson Chamisa. If we are to tell each other the truth, ED has dismally failed. The situation on the ground speaks for itself. We are told that he wants to finish his projects, but the truth is, since the 2023 elections, Mnangagwa has been focusing on the 2030 campaign, neglecting the development of the country. For 10 years, the old man has failed to finish Beit Bridge Road. ED is putting Zimbabwe under security threat by allowing terrorism by people who claim to be ZANU-PF supporters, abduction and torture of opposition members without Zimbabwe Republic Police ZRP investigation or arrest, puts Zimbabwe in risk of being invaded by Western powers. Mnangagwa must go and ZANU-PF must elect a young leader for the better future of Zimbabwe. Ndoma developments ari kuda panguva inoi, according to kuna Rutendo Benson Matinyarari ari kuuya panguva inoi atanga mutungamiri wenyika kunyange zvake ari ZANU-PF affiliate. Panguva inoi uye achibuda achitaura mashoko aiwa asiya nyika yese yakabata remuromo remukanwa kuti ndiye ega here ane maonero awa kana kuti everyone in the ruling party ZANU-PF. Ndo mafunguro ake. Pinda comment section medu zafunguro iyi muri kudiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.